Hey guys, General Mechanic right here with another quick video. We got 2003 Ford Expedition. This is a really common problem, and I'm not trying to tell you that this is your problem, but this is what I found on what I'm doing right now. Like I said, 2003 Ford Expedition. This has got the 5.4 engine in it. What it was is the fuel level sensor was it got stuck like in 1 quart of fuel. It won't go down if you run it all the way out of gas, or if you fill it up, it doesn't move. It didn't move. So what we had done to this truck not too long ago was to replace the fuel pump, and actually it had the same problem, but the other one stayed on low, like on 0 miles to empty. So we just decided to drop the tank back down, and it's been a little while, like close to a year now that it's been like this. We bought this pump, the pump that I just got out of there. We bought it from eBay. It was like $56. It was a good price, but we just got it down again, and customer wanted me to fix that because we just got done swapping the transmission on this thing. Transmission went out on the highway. But I'm gonna show you what I found. When I took the pump out, I saw that the fuel level, the leveler, not the sensor itself, but the leveler, we had a little problem right here. I found a little problem. Let me show you something right here real quick. I found, you see, when you stick the leveler in the little hole right there, there's supposed to be 2 little lips right here. Let me get it to focus right there. 2 little lips right there, and as you can see, one of them had broken, and the leveler it stayed right there, and the leveler was going up and down, but it wasn't moving this thing right here because it came out of there. So what I'm doing, since the pump is good, the leveler sensor is good, what I just done is I got me a 1/16 drill bit, drill me a hole right there, right below where the little metal bar goes. Made the little hole to come out through the other side right there. We're gonna tie it down with a little piece of wire, and we should be good to go. That's all we're doing to it, since the pump is so new. Hopefully this will give you a close idea to what the problem might be with your truck. And like I said, it can be something different going on with your truck, but this is what I found. So hopefully this will help you, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more, since we got more videos coming. Thank you for watching.